This is Scott the Fix-It Guy. Today we're going to be dealing with a front load washer that has a leak, and often the leak is caused by this boot or gasket develops a small tear. Sometimes keys will puncture it, or it's just sometimes a point that wears out over time. So we're going to, instead of replacing it, we're going to patch it up, because these parts cost about $100 for a boot. So we're just going to use some rubber. So first we're going to pry off this ring so we can get to the underside of this rubber boot. So we use a standard head screwdriver just to pry this off. And once we pry it off, we're going to fold the boot. We'll pull it off of the rim, and we're going to fold the boot in on itself so we can expose this underside where we can see the tear. It's a very common problem. And to fix it, we just need some adhesive, which is this goop. It's actually a contact cement. It's where you put the glue on both sides and then bond them together. And we need a little piece of inner tube or rubber. So we have the goop, and we cut out some small pieces of rubber. I did this from a bicycle inner tube. Probably about an inch by an inch would be great. We're going to apply the contact cement to both the surface of the rubber patch. And again, this is the 1x1 piece of rubber with the contact cement. And we're also going to apply it to the boot itself where we see the tear, both on the exposed side and the underside. We're going to let both surfaces dry until they're tacky, and then we'll press our patch into position, and it should be a nice strong bond. And we'll put our boot rim back in. Slowly take your time, make sure it's up over the ridge so that you have a good watertight position. And then we're going to take that spring-loaded rim, we're going to put some lubricant on there, some liquid soap, so that it's a little bit easier to put it back on. Once you have the liquid soap, you put it in position and then just pull down hard, and the spring will open up and you can get the rim back on. So we're just putting this adhesive all the way around. I'm sorry, not adhesive, but lubricant all the way around. And then we got it back in position. This is an LG. We're taking it for a test to make sure there's no more leaks. And just for a couple of bucks, we solved the problem. We don't end up having to spend $100. Thanks for watching.